We're in Miami.
We're going to the pool at not our hotel, our cousin's, because we have to wait till 4 to check into our hotel.
Right.
So we're just chilling here until, yeah, it's 12:34. So we have
a lot of time to go.
Yeah. So we're gonna go to the pool.
21.
Also, we're right by the window, and the view is so cute.
They got a nice.
Hey guys, so we were finally able to check into our hotel, and I changed my outfit into like this red dress, but we're about to go eat. We are grabbing dinner, like a proper dinner for my cousin's birthday later tonight. This is like the dinner before the dinner. The hotel room is really cute. When you walk in, that's the bed, and we have a TV and the bathroom. And then there's this cute little seating area. And we are right on the first floor, so the street is right there. Also, the beach is literally across the street. I know. Oh my god! Stop. Where are we? This is us. We have to get onto Main Street and go back up. Let's see. And we are back in the hotel room. I just changed into my swimsuit. So today is gonna be a full-on beach day. We're gonna have a good day today. We're gonna go to the beach, and then later on tonight we'll probably get dinner.
There's there.
Okay. Those are negligible.
Period!
You know what's up? It's like you know how to pick a place.
Yeah. Last minute found this rooftop. No big deal. I can't. It's the commitment for me. The commitment to the shot. Anyone watching, it's like, it is not that serious.
Wait,
This is the coolest elevator.
can I find that?
Oh, you didn't press the button.
Does this thing actually work? Like, what does it do?
You gotta put a coin in.
So it doesn't take Apple Pay?
Oh, period. It balances.
That is a big risk of letting it balance. It's the fact that I thought Nick Jonas was gonna die because he had diabetes. But they made it such a big thing.
No, I vividly remember those commercials on Disney Channel.
Remember when they had purity rings?
Oh,
What was that about? When was that gone?
after Miley Cyrus. I'm kidding.
Yeah.
Actually,
Arguably,
Why did so many Disney people have purity
I don't
rings?
know.
Because that was just like a thing.
I think it was a Christian propaganda.
Yeah, that's odd. Purity rings? Christian propaganda.
Rise and shine. I haven't eaten yet. We just came into this souvenir shop and I found the cutest little bikini. I love this color combo. Okay, so makeup is all done, hair is done. I curled my hair a little bit and I'm all ready. We got back from the beach and showered, got all glammed up. I wanna shoot some content for TikTok right now because we're not really doing much right now. We spent the whole morning at the beach and now we're just kind of relaxing. I think we're probably gonna get dinner later and that's about it. I don't think we're doing too much, just kind of relaxing and taking in our last few hours in Miami. I want to show you my outfit really quick because I kind of love it. I'm obsessed with this little top. So my top is from Addicted. It's super cute. It has this belt detailing and it's like a halter style top, and then I have these White Fox boutique cargos on. So that's the fit, and then I'm just gonna wear my Adidas Sambas. We're gonna get watermelon. She got the Oreo ice cream. Vegan. I got the healthy thing, now I need the unhealthy thing. You know what I mean?